Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Before I get the installation started on the truck today, I am going to head to Best Buy real quick and pick up the new GoPro 6. And I just want to also let you guys know about the giveaway that I'm doing. It's completely free to enter. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, go down into the description, click the first link to the Instagram, Never Satisfied 24 Valve, go to the giveaway post, comment done with your YouTube username, and that's it, you're entered. The giveaway ends February 1st, at which I will make a video and pick a winner at random and then direct message you to let you know that you have won. So with that being said, I will see you guys at Best Buy. Alright, so before I get going on the installation on the truck today, I'm going to go ahead and take the light bar off the top of the truck. So I'm going to do that right now. I wish you could snap your fingers to get everything done like that. I will say it's going to take some getting used to. I've had the truck about a year now, and I put the light bar on the first day I got it. But I think the truck looks very clean now, and I'm pretty happy with it. I'm either going to get a new light bar and brackets that snug the light bar down to the roof more to give it a cleaner look, or just leave it off permanently. But let me know what you guys think. So next I'm going to adjust the light bar in the front bumper. It's shifted down, so I'm going to adjust it up and put some washers in to lock it down so it doesn't move down again. And then after that I'm going to adjust the front bumper, because as you can see it has shifted back a little bit because I didn't tighten the nuts down enough apparently. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. So now the GoPro's all charged up, I just arrived at AutoZone. I'm gonna pick up some supplies for the installation that we're gonna be doing today on the truck, and then when I get back to the house I'm gonna start doing that. So I'll see you guys back at the house. All right guys, we're back from AutoZone. We got everything we needed to get for the installation today. The camera is fully charged, so let's get started on this video. But first, let's take a look at the truck. Look at how filthy she is. No, I did not take her off-roading. It's just simply from a house that I'm working at right now. The road's under construction and there's a lot of potholes and gravel and it's just a muddy mess. But as you can see, there is mud just caked on her. So I'm gonna have to give her a bath tomorrow. But I'm gonna go over what we're doing today on the installation real quick. And then I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse and get started. So today for the installation, well, at AutoZone I picked up positive wire, negative wire, a tester, and then I already had my cutters, of course, and I got some quick splices. So today for the installation on the truck, we're going to be doing, my girlfriend actually got me these for Christmas. They're LED truck bed lights, and I already tested them out. They're super bright, so I'm pretty stoked about this. So you got 8 lights total, 4 for each side. So 4 for the left side, 4 for the right side. It does come with a little tiny switch. Not sure how well this is going to work, but we're going to try it. And it comes with all the screws you need for it. So I'm going to go ahead and set you guys up on a time lapse, and I'm going to get started on this installation. Alright guys, so yesterday when I was recording the installation, I accidentally put it on time-lapse photo. I thought it was time-lapse video. I'm still getting used to the new GoPro 6. So I'm going to finish the installation right now because last time it got dark and I couldn't finish it. And then I'll go over everything I did with you guys so you guys know how I did all the wiring. All right, guys, so I just got done wiring all the lights up. For right now, the switch is right here. Just right there for right now. I'm gonna end up making a bracket to mount to the side here, so that way it's out of the way. But I'm gonna record later on tonight when it gets darker, so you guys can see what the lights look like in the dark. And I had to go out and get a new switch because the one that it came with didn't have a third prong. It was only 2 prongs, so it ended up heating up the wires and getting it hot. So I had to go out and to AutoZone and just get a regular switch. It's $4.99, so I picked this one up and everything works great. So I'll see you guys tonight. All right, guys, so I just wanted to show you what the bed looks like at nighttime when it's dark out with the lights on. So I'm gonna go ahead and flick them on real quick so you guys can see. It's got 4 LED lights on each side, as you can tell. And I'm pretty happy with the end result. It's pretty bright. So at nighttime when I'm loading all my tools up into the back of the truck, when I finish the job, I can actually see what the hell I'm doing, because before it was impossible. So I think this will help out pretty good. So I'm pretty excited with the end result. Derby. All right, guys. So that's gonna do it for this video. The lights got installed on the truck. Everything went great. I just ordered a bunch of parts for the truck, so those will be here in the next week or so. So make sure to tune in for that video. Also, my old light bar is for sale along with the brackets. If you want to purchase that, just DM me on Instagram. Never Satisfied 24 valve, same as the channel. So make sure to follow me on that. And if you aren't already, please subscribe to the channel. And I would appreciate it if you could give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next weekend.